Solved how to fix Phoenix Point crash on Windows. 1. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Run your game, Epic Games Launcher, as an administrator. 3. Turn off unnecessary programs via WTM. 4. Verify your game files in Epic Games Launcher. 5. Remove and reinstall your game. 5.1. For Epic Games users, 5.2. For Microsoft Store users, reset the app via settings. Like this. 6. Remove and reinstall Epic Games Launcher. 7. Check for Windows updates.